咁首先我哋睇下第一段啦。佢話 Dear Diary, I was so moved and surprised yesterday. I couldn't believe my eyes when I looked up from the mountain of homework and tests during the drama rehearsal. 佢嘅意思係親愛嘅日記，尋日我既感動又驚訝。喺排練戲劇嘅時候，我從堆積如山嘅功課同埋考試中抬起頭，簡直係唔相信自己對眼。咁平時我哋會用 I was so 再加 adjectives 去表達自己強烈嘅感受，就例如 I was so excited when I heard the good news。又或者啦，我哋會用 I couldn't believe my eyes 去描述自己見到一啲難以置信嘅事情嘅反應啦。咁大家要記住呢兩個表達啦，喺寫自己嘅經歷或者係感受嘅時候咧就可以用。再之後咧就係 The Mountain of Homework， 其實係用咗比喻嘅手法。佢就將功課比喻做一座山啦，佢就形容啲功課好多。呢一種表達比起直接講 a lot of homework 就更加生動形象。大家喺作文嘅時候都可以用呢一種比喻手法嚟描述一啲嘢係好多啦。好。